Hi, this is another session of learning Mendeley software. After we have downloaded after we have downloaded the Mendeley desktop on our computer and then installed it. This is Mendeley desktop on my computer. I can take you through the Mendeley. It was on my desktop. If I just go. So if I just go here. That's Mendeley desktop. So you just close it. You can install it. Sorry, we have installed it, so we don't need to install it one more time. So just close it. We can reopen it again. That's the Mendeley. So just take you through the putting the account. We done this one in our last step, and so we said that this is the Mendeley, and it can be seen that's the software if I magnify it. So I'll take you through the software step by step. This is the all documents, which is here. It shows all documents related to your work and related to other people's work. Here, recently added work. Here, recently read work. Okay, you read them. And here, all my publications, my own publications. So this is all my own publication. Mendeley managed to bring them over to me. Now, all documentation and then all any publication related to your work and your publication, they are here. So let me take you to this part. Let's try to create one folder, and we call it, for example, papers. Okay, hit OK. Now, Mendeley has ability to create folders for yourself, and we created one folder called paper. Now, one way to add your papers to this one, you can go to your desktop. Okay, manage to get one folder from your desktop. I'm in my desktop. That's desktop. So if I go to promotion and I hit on, for example, this, let me try to find somebody, this one, for example, this paper. So I hit on it, and that paper is, I want to bring this paper to that, to my workspace. So producing this one, you can just drag and drop it there, and you can see that it has been dragged there, and that paper is, you can see here are not this part on the right hand side, this part is not activated and the buttons are not activated. So here it tells me an improved simulation model for pedestrian crowd evacuation. That's the title of the paper. Daniel and Tarik Rashid. So here the PDF type, and if I click on it, you can see the whole information about the paper is here. So you know, authors, journal, years, and things like that. So that's one way to add a paper there. Another way, if I just remove this one, you can remove it from here, by the way. Remove from folder, it has been removed. So you can add it from here, file, add files, and you can go to, for example, again, desktop, if I can find desktop, that's desktop. I go to promotion, by the way, sorry for that. Where is the file promotion? Couldn't find it. Where is the promotion? Okay. Somewhere is here. Okay, it's there. Now, And then I try to find this another file, and I can drop it there. It has been dropped, and you can see again Tarik Rashid, another person heard you with me, PDF file, and you can click on it and you can see the year, the paper details, the even DOI of the paper, digital object identifier, and ISN of the paper. That's the title of the paper. And now that's one way. Another way, you can always add manually. You can add things manually. For example, you can add and manually click there. I'll do it again. Add entry manually. So here you can select the journal or paper or book section. So I'm going to select again journal. Okay, for example, that's journal already selected. So we can call title of the journal international. Title of the title of the paper, maybe introduction to programming. The authors I can write down Tarik A. And now once you hit the first one, then it allows you to add the second one. So let's say Karwan Cardo. Karim. Okay, Karim. Now, once you hit, then you add another author, so on and so forth. So here it allows you to add more authors. Now, after you have done this one, the journal name, maybe you can say International Journal of Science, for example, if it's Journal of Science. Or you can change it to your International Journal of Computer Programming. Just any, you might not find this year, maybe 2013. Issue, you can add it for volume 4, issue 2, page 11 to 33, for example. And things like that. You can add this one. You can add it. Now, once you add this one, it is there. It was added time, International Journal, and you can see there is no PDF for it. We haven't added PDF for it. So this is another way to add it. Now, we can, again, if you want to delete it, we can delete it. We don't want to just remove it from folder. Let's remove it, remove from folder. Now, another way to, there's a way to add folder. Add folder. You can add folder from here. Let's say we go to my desktop. Where is the desktop? A lot of things on my computer. Now, desktop is here. Okay, and then we go to head desktop, and then here we have to find promotion. Now, the whole folder I want to upload, and everything was uploaded, and you can see everything will upload to my paper folder, and you can see all my papers are published, are added here. So if I want to remove them, highlight all and remove from folder and remove more from folder, you can remove it. Now nothing is there. So that is the little background or little insight about Mendeley, and in the next session we will talk about more about other features, for example, edit, view, tools. So I see you in the next session. Thank you.